Okay, hold on, Rich. Are you ready for the ultimate Clojure experience?
And no, we don't mean just hanging out at a REPL for 3 days straight.
We're talking about Clojure Conj 2025, happening November 12th to 14th in Charlotte, North Carolina.
This isn't just another conference. It's where you can corner all your favorite Clojure and Datomic folks and ask us your questions directly.
So join us in person, where you can meet other Clojurians in real life and have those debates you have online with each other over coffee.
Plus, we're adding activities to help you mix and mingle. There'll even be prizes.
And of course, you'll be learning. Expect new ideas, real success stories, and talks that can reshape your code base.
First, on Wednesday, we're going to have a full day of workshops, including Day of Datomic.
And Thursday, November 13th, and Friday, November 14th, we're gonna have 2 full days of action-packed talks. And I hear Rich is opening the event.
And Friday night, we'll wrap it up with an epic celebration.
Trust me, this isn't your average corporate pizza party. Expect plenty of games, drinks, and plenty of nerdy fun.
You'll hear from some of the most interesting voices in the Clojure community, sharing their knowledge, experience, and vision.
It's the perfect place to network. You can meet old friends, collaborators, recruiters, even that person who appreciates your 2 a.m. macro.
So grab your ticket now and head to the largest Clojure event in the world.
We want you to be there, and that's why we had a special discount code just for you.
And with that kick-ass discount, we expect to see you there.
Don't have excuses now.
See you
at Clojure Conj 2025.